Welcome to our brief tutorial on scheduling an appointment with an ARC specialist. At the Academic Resource Center, which is known as ARC, our mission is to support the success of Westcliff students by offering high quality learning assistance. We provide the opportunity for you to meet with a writing or content specialist to address any questions or concerns you may have about your assignments. There are two convenient ways to schedule an appointment with an ARC specialist. You can visit westcliff.mywconline.com or simply email your advisor to receive the necessary link and information. To access the appointment scheduling link at westcliff.mywconline.com, log in to your student account on Gap. From the home page, scroll past your classes until you reach the Academic Resource Center. You'll find it located next to Westcliff University app or in the right corner of the page under the Westcliff Library. Clicking on the ARC link will take you to a new page where you can schedule a one-on-one meeting with an ARC specialist. If you are a new student or haven't used this platform before, you'll need to register for an account using your Westcliff email address. Once registered, select Online Academic Resource Center for virtual appointments or on-campus Academic Resource Center for in-person meetings. After logging in, you'll see a list of ARC team members and their areas of expertise. We recommend scheduling with a specialist who align with your course or questions. As you scroll down, you'll find the working hours of each ARC team member. Based on your availability and theirs, select a time slot that suits you. Appointments can be extended up to 1 hour. We hope this tutorial has been informative. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at arc@westcliff.edu. Thank you for choosing the Academic Resource Center to support your academic journey.